So the idea is to take this little game I made back in 2018 and turn it into a full puzzle gaming experience that's worth selling on, say, Steam. As you can see, there isn't too much to do here. You just walk around, you can talk to this freak, you can sit alone with your own thoughts, right? And occasionally, and here's the real meat of the game, you can solve some pretty simple puzzles relating to this weird color shifting mechanic. Right now it's just a visual effect, but then check this out. You walk here, you're chilling, and then suddenly the maze changes under you. And so I want to take this idea and add Sokoban mechanics to give it a bit more depth. I want to improve the art, of course, throw in a little pinch of narrative, and wham bam's your uncle. I actually tried to do this way back in 2022 in Click Team Fusion, but I got a bit too ambitious and too focused on polish, so it never really went anywhere besides this prototype, which is very pretty, but it isn't actually a quote-unquote game in any meaningful sense of the word. Nowadays, my weapon of choice is Godot, and while I don't have quite the same level of familiarity, I've already made some games with it both solo and with others, and I can take what I did with the prototype and use it as a base to spring from. In terms of assets anyway. All the code's gonna have to be from scratch, not that there was much of worth in the prototype anyway. So this is where we're at today after about half a week of work, a couple of hours a day, a pace of progress which is not gonna hold up for the whole of development, but maybe, who knows. You notice that the graphics are mostly the same as in the prototype I showed you. A bit less polished, you can say the guy doesn't animate, but it's good that it's not polished because right now I only care about getting all the core systems in place. Sorry, I lied in the intro clip, there isn't actually a transition when you change dimensions yet. Anyway, you can push this box around, you know, very nice. You can undo your movements, very lovely. You can put the box on the button which opens the door, which will take you to the next level. And you can shift dimensions by pressing a key, which is probably gonna be a mid to late game ability, or you can do it through invisible teleporters like in the original game. I tried to make things very modular, for which Godot's node system was beyond helpful. For example, this button activates an invisible teleporter and it holds it, right? It toggles it, so you have to press it again to go back. There's much puzzle potential. I also recreated a level from the original game. This one's gonna make it into the final probably. Everyone who has played the original considers this a sort of highlight moment, and it even made someone see the potential in a full release like I do. If you're out there, sorry it took me 7 years, but here we are. But yeah. In terms of core gameplay, I still need to add NPCs and those thought bubble thingamajigs, which implies a dialogue system of sorts. Then you have to make a bunch of levels times 3 because of the layers, polish, fix bugs, write the narrative that I got cooking in my head, and yeah, easy stuff. We'll see what I can cook up, and hopefully I'll be back here next week, let's say, to talk about it. Thanks for watching, hope you enjoyed, and see you soon maybe.